Hello friends, you are welcome to my program today. You see, if you are diabetic or pre-diabetic, please watch this video. If you are diabetic or pre-diabetic, this food that I'm going to mention now, you should avoid eating those food. It is not good for your health at all. If you are diabetic, avoid eating all this food that I'm going to mention now. Number one is white rice. White rice is not good for anybody that is diabetic at all. White rice is not good. White rice contains glycemic index of 95. It is very high. So if you are diabetic, please avoid it. Don't eat white rice. It is not good for your health. Number two is agidi. Agidi. Whether agidi jollof or agidi or white agidi, especially white agidi. White agidi has glycemic index of 92, which is not good for anybody that has diabetic or pre-diabetic. Unless if you want to eat it, you will eat it small, very little. But make sure that you eat it with fish, because fish has zero glycemic index. So that you use the fish to calm the glycemic index of that agidi down. Number three, cassava flour. Some napoya tuwo or any other thing on napoya or aribo cassava flour. Cassava flour adroma for your blood diabetes because it has a glycemic index of 59. So cassava flour is not good for you as a diabetic patient or pre-diabetic. If you are pre-diabetic, please avoid eating cassava flour. Then number four is abacha. You know that many people love abacha very well. Some people use abacha to do maybe ceremony or that. But if you are diabetic or pre-diabetic, you should stay away from abacha. Abacha is not good for anybody that is diabetic or pre-diabetic because abacha has a very high glycemic index, which is not good for anybody that is diabetic. Abacha has 84 glycemic index, which is not good. So if you go anywhere, maybe in a ceremony or in your house, and you want to eat abacha, don't eat abacha anyhow. Before you eat abacha, make sure that you will eat it with enough vegetable, angara, garden egg, and maybe oba. Mix it together so that it will calm the glycemic index of that abacha down. And do not eat it much. You will just eat it little with big vegetable. Then number five, fufu. You know, our people so much love akpu. They like to eat akpu. But if you are diabetic or pre-diabetic, please stay away from akpu. Don't eat akpu because akpu fufu has glycemic index of 84, which is high. It is very high. Please avoid it. Another one you should avoid is gari. Gari is not good at all for anybody that is diabetic. Gari has a glycemic index of 92 and it is very, very high. I will talk about gari. Again. I will just explain something about gari, but it will be in my next program. But now, don't eat gari. Please, gari is not good for your health. The next is boiled yam. Boiled yam is not good for anybody that is diabetic or pre-diabetic because boiled yam has 58 glycemic index. But if you want to eat boiled yam, you can take it very little with big vegetable because the glycemic index is about 58, which is not good for anybody that is diabetic. But unless if you want to eat it, you eat it little with very big vegetable. The next one is corn. That is oka. Corn is not good for anybody that is diabetic or pre-diabetic. But because of the content, the high content of fiber in corn, you can take it. I will advise you when taking corn, maybe boiled fresh corn or roasted one, you can take it with pear so that it will help normalize the glycemic index. Because the glycemic index of corn is 56. So if you want to take it, don't take it too much. Take it just a little and try to mix it with maybe with pear. Because it has a fiber already. Another one is corn flour. Corn flour is not good at all for you to take as a diabetic or pre-diabetic patient. Don't take corn flour. Corn flour has 70 glycemic index, which is very, very high. It's not good for your body at all. It's not good for your health. The next one is popcorn. Popcorn is not good. Some adults like to eat popcorn. Yes, it's good. But if you are diabetic or pre-diabetic, don't take popcorn. Popcorn has 72 glycemic index, which is high. It is not good for your body. Please, with this and many more, there's many other foods that you are not supposed to eat as a diabetic, if you are diabetic or pre-diabetic. I know that if you can just avoid some certain foods that we are mentioning now, you will live long. Thank you so much. Please share this message, click the follow button, and also comment. Thank you.